As part of getting started with BaoRuler, let's take our first measurement. We'll select the close shape measurement type to capture the square footage of this area, perimeter, and any elevation changes around the grass area. Before we start, let's clear away any debris from any potentially difficult placement areas. It's important to choose a memorable starting point, since we'll need to start and finish at the same point. We'll begin here, in this corner. It's memorable, so we can return to it easily. Open the BaoRuler app. Click Close Shape to start a new measurement. The screen will show waiting to connect. To turn on the BaoRuler device, shake up and down a few times, back and forth until the LED starts to flash blue. At your starting point, ensure you place it exactly where you want to begin. Measuring as that first point is crucial. Once the device remains still, the LED will turn from blue to green, confirming that it's captured your first point. See how we've aligned the reference point directly into the corner. We hold the stick lightly between our thumb and two fingers, allowing for a relaxed yet controlled grip. This light hold enables us to walk quickly and energetically and avoids the stick from swinging. Instead of completing the measurement in one go, we'll divide it into equal parts as we walk. Aim to pause while the timer bar is in the blue zone, and make sure to stop no later than the end of the yellow zone. When ready, pause by placing the stick down gently but quickly, aligning it with the path's edge. Wait for the LED to change from blue to green, confirming the measurement is captured. Continuing to the end of this straight run, align the stick directly into the corner. Once the stick is stationary, the LED will transition from blue to green. Remember, you can stop and pause as often as needed. We'll walk quickly, rotate smoothly, and place the stick down precisely. At each measurement point, we continue placing and capturing straight line measurements, and we'll be back at the starting point. To finish the measurement, tap the con. Now, save this measurement. Give it a name, and then save the file to your project folder. The app will display the perimeter, which is 168.94 meters. The total area is 1,352.21 square meters, and a start-finish error of 2.6%. To switch units, you need to return to the main page and click Mine. Select measuring units and change to imperial. By tapping the back arrow, click on the file that was just measured. You'll see that the perimeter is 554.28 feet, and the area is 14,555.08 square feet. To export this measurement, then export and choose a format such as PDF, CAD, or CSV. And that's it. We've successfully captured the area and perimeter of the entire space. Before using BaoRuler on your projects, take some time to practice a few measurements to master the technique and become comfortable using your BaoRuler device and stick.